Hey guys, so I'm just, the light's a bit shady, it's jumping around the place. It's really warm today. I'm just fixing fitting these axe handles. These are the little hatchets that I've made. See a little, some nice weight to them. So, hey up. I've obviously taped up the edges. Made the mistake in the past and made some nasty cuts. Got one scar there. Is it going to focus? Where are you? No, it won't focus. Either way, take it from me. I'm just literally getting them set up now to fit. So, just as you do, shaving away, and I'm going to film it anyway so you can see. Yeah, basically show you these axes that I had the other day. I've got some. No, I'm not. I didn't get any footage of forging them. Sorry. But I'll just film this now so you can see. Right, guys, see you in a bit. Right, guys, so that's them handles fitted. I need to obviously polish them still, finish the edges, hone them. This is the first one. So it's an 18-inch hickory handle. There's a slight gap. I think I need to work on the drifts. Obviously, there's a slight gap at the back. But it's on tight. It's a good fit still. I used a Purple Heart wedge, but the oil or the sealer that I've used is a linseed mixed with thinners. It's obviously gone very dark, so that might lighten up over the days. I'll give it a few more layers yet. I'll sand it again, give it another layer. I'm quite happy with that. It's a nice looking little hatchet. It's good weight to it as well. Be a good carver. Obviously you can get your hand right up behind it for doing detail work. So that's the first one. And this is the second, obviously. Very similar. Quite a large pole on the back. Again, hickory handle. Slightly different wedge. Light's catching it. There we are. Just quite happy with them. Obviously these are both for sale. If you're interested, get in touch. I am currently making a website. My wife's helping me with that. I'm not really much of a tech guy. So this is the sort of style I think I'm going to go for now. I'd like to do maybe 3 different styles. So maybe one larger head, a bearded axe like the 1 second. Something more like a traditional sort of bearded profile. I quite like this one. I've used it quite a bit. Fairly similar, subtle differences. This is more traditional Peterson style lugs, and a much longer neck, obviously with a beard on it, hence the bearded axe. But yeah, I like to maybe get 3 so I can get all my tooling made up so I can make these, I don't know, maybe make them sets of 5s. Ah babe, make them in sets of 5s and then sell them. So there you go guys. I'll put a little bit of the footage doing the handle fitting, and there we go.